Hey guys, welcome to question MM400 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question, we've got a particular bakery which offers only white loaves and wholemeal loaves. 80% of their stock is made up of white loaves, while with the remaining loaves being wholemeal. If 3 loaves are chosen at random, what is the probability that exactly 2 of them are wholemeal? Right, awesome. So the first thing we have to recognize here is that we are dealing with binomial distribution, alright? So this is the type of probability that we're dealing with. The way that we can tell that is our probability that we're looking for is that 2 of them are wholemeal, right? So we've taken a certain number of attempts or trials, which is the number of loaves that we've chosen. Each one of these has the same chance to be a wholemeal, and each probability has a success or a failure, okay? So it can either be wholemeal or not wholemeal. There's no other possibilities. There's only those 2. So that's how we know to use binomial distribution. So our regular binomial distribution formula says that probability that x equals x is equal to ncx times p to the power of x times 1 minus p to the power of n minus x. All right. Now, in this case, our n is our number of trials, so how many loaves we've chosen, which is 3. Our probability is the probability that a loaf, any given loaf, is a wholemeal, right, which is 20%, so 1 in 5. And our x value is the number that we're looking for. So x equals 2, right? Because we're looking for 2 of them are wholemeal. So in that case, we have our n value, which is 3. So 3c2 outside of p, which is 1 on 5 to the power of x, which is 2, times 1 minus p, which is 4 on 5, to the power of n minus x, which is 3 minus 2, so 1. Now this is your first mark. Your second mark comes from stating the answer. So 3c2 is 3. 1 on 5 squared is 1 on 25, and then we still have our 4 on 5 to the power of 1, which is just 4 on 5. Multiplying all these together, we get 3 times 4 over 25 times 5, which is 12 over 125. And that's our second and final mark for probability x equals 2. If in your book, the answer says 3 and 125, that was a typo on our part, and we've corrected that now. So the correct answer is 12 on 125. Guys, if you have any questions about this, please hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.